Promeo Story Reels Maker is an Android application designed to help users create engaging and visually appealing stories and reels for social media platforms. This app provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of tools enabling individuals to craft professional-looking content with ease. Featuring a vast library of templates, music tracks, and editing tools, Promeo allows users to customize their videos by adding text overlays, filters, transitions, and stickers. This versatility makes it suitable for users looking to enhance their social media presence, whether for personal expression or brand promotion. The app also supports seamless editing for both vertical and horizontal video formats, catering to different social media requirements. Additionally, Promeo may include features like adjustable video speed, voiceovers, and easy sharing options, streamlining the process of publishing content directly to platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Overall, Promeo Story Reels Maker empowers users to unleash their creativity and make striking videos that capture attention and engage audiences effectively.